Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off and fully disconnecting the Chromebook because live power risks shorting the board. Once done, remove the back cover, unscrew only visible screws and pry with a plastic spudger. Avoid metal prying. Make sure you keep screws organized by hole. Next, locate the headphone jack assembly and clear surrounding cables with a flashlight. This gives you direct access to the jack without stressing ribbon cables. You're now ready to inspect the jack for the broken plug frag. Now focus on the stuck tip. Visually confirm orientation. If the metal sleeve is intact or the tip sits against contacts, plan extraction accordingly. Use fine tweezers or a thin pick to hook and pull straight out. If the fragment is flush, a tiny drop of superglue on a toothpick can bond to the tip. Let it cure briefly, then pull straight out. If the jack is soldered, desolder the 3 pads and lift the jack off the board. Take pictures so you can reattach correctly later. After removal, clean the port with compressed air and a 90% plus isopropyl swab to remove debris, because leftover particles cause shorts or poor contact. Once dry, fit the replacement jack or resolder the original, matching its orientation and mounting points. Then reassemble the chassis and tighten screws gently but snug. Power on and plug in headphones to test audio and microphone. If you get crackling, no audio, or intermittent contact, power down and reseat the jack or reflow questionable solder joints. That troubleshooting tip fixes most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.